These traditional Mexican cocktails aren't only for margarita glasses. In this video we are going to learn how to make a non-alcoholic michelada by using some of the classic michelada ingredients such as clamato juice, salt and lime. Here is michelada ingredients for you. Tomato juice, 32 ounces, or try using clamato juice, or lime juice, half a lime, 3 teaspoons Worcestershire seasoning, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, horseradish, about 1 tablespoon, 24 to 36 ounce beer that is not alcoholic to taste, salt with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. You would serve this drink with pickles, salami, cheese, pickled onions, and capers if you like. Find new hot, cold, boozy, and non-alcoholic drinks to try.